This time on Two Desert Rats in Belize. While I'm working on staining the doors, Chris finished the sink and now he's installing some outlets. There were outlets already, but we got these new outlets in the US that we brought with us that have USB plug-ins too, so we don't have to bring the charging box like this with us. We will be able to just plug straight into the outlet. So Chris installed this sink yesterday, and the brand new valve that he bought for it was leaking. So he had to go this morning and buy a new valve, and now he's installing it. So this is our haul from Golden Dragon tonight. We got some rice. Oh, that's my fried chicken. There's some fries underneath there. Look at how much that is. That's $6 Belize. So $3 US for that fried chicken, and it is so good. Would you? Oh, Chris got pepper steak. Oh, and fried rice, a big thing of fried rice. Oh, it was chicken fried rice, huh? So it's got little chunks of chicken in it. Good morning. just want to show you guys a little bit about how I spend my mornings. I usually get up around 5 in the morning, not because I'm on a schedule or anything, but it's just what time I wake up. So I come out here on the porch before the sun comes up. I get in my hammock and get all bundled up. Not that it's cold, but I just like to be comfortable and keep the bugs off too. I always get up and grind some coffee, make a pot of coffee first, and I've got that here. I'm using this cooler as kind of like a side table to hold my stuff. And I like to journal about the day before. And I don't do this all the time, just when we're in Belize, because I want to remember things. And I work on my Bible lesson for Sunday, getting ready for the kids. And it's just a good way to start the day and refresh. This cashew tree is just in full bloom right now. So every time we walk out of the house, you can smell it, and it's so fresh. It kind of smells like honeysuckle. It's just absolutely massive. These limbs are going almost all the way down to the ground. Our neighbor Esther gave us this loaf of fresh baked bread that she made, and I'm gonna have some for breakfast this morning with some Belizean honey. I went to Lita's and they are doing panko dogs. They look so good. I'm excited about that. I got 2 of their lemon poppers today because we've never had the lemon chicken, and that's new. I got some Italian and some chicken and cream cheese. I think Italian's our favorite. They're kind of spicy. Lita's jalapeno poppers really are the best. So if you guys are in Independence, you have to stop by her shop and get some. And we really liked the panko corn dog too. she has expanded since the last time we've been here, and she has shops in Bella Vista and Santa Cruz. So if you guys are passing through those, you can stop and get some too. But she also sells them frozen to restaurants all over Belize. So if you guys are in a restaurant anywhere in Belize and you see her jalapeno poppers on the menu, definitely get some. Next time on Two Desert Rats in Belize. Stacy's coming on the bicycle.